I want to tell the story of young woman named Laura. She started her career hard out straight when she was only 18 years old. She moved to the city because she wanted a better future. Before she had her fair bit opportunity, she had studied conduct at a small school. She had already learned visit the need which she met a faith she who with her at John Ian restaurant. Since then, Laura had worked very hard. She had opened her own restaurant. It had won several cricket awards. She had become inspiration to many young people. If she kept working hard, she would achieve her dream of opening a store in other countries. If she had stayed in her small town, she would have the same opportunities. She studied because she believed in herself. Although it got difficult at first, she never get hurt. She worked long hours before she improved quickly. However, she almost still almost it footage. This is Laura's story of one who faced challenges and wicked then with passion and determination.